I'm Allison Houck, Managing Partner of the Rehoboth Beach office of Faw Casson. I'm here today to talk to you about some of the changes under the new tax law that has been passed in regards to deductions for business taxpayers.
There are a number of changes to deductions for business taxpayers under the new law. The first one I'm going to talk about relates to net operating losses. They are now limited to 80% of taxable income for losses incurred after 2017. Losses can no longer be carried back. They now can be carried forward indefinitely. And the 20% that you're unable to use in year one can be carried forward. Computers and related equipment are now removed from the listed property classification. There has been a repeal of the domestic production activities deduction. Businesses with greater than $25 million of gross receipts may now be limited in deducting their interest expense. The net interest write-offs will be capped at 30% of adjusted gross income with disallowed interest carried forward. In many cases, you will see this probably in a construction or a manufacturing industry. No deduction is allowed for entertainment, membership dues, or social purposes. Previously, a 50% deduction was permitted if in the course of operating a trade or the business. There's no longer any regard for business purpose, so this would include prospective client meals, current client meals, taking your clients to a Flyers game, or something of that sort. There is still a 50% deduction for meals associated with operating your trade or business. The Act also now limits the non-recognition of gain for like-kind exchanges to real property that is not held primarily for sale. So for this example, think of a company who often trades in vehicles. In the past, you've been able to use the value of the vehicle traded in and apply it towards the vehicle that you received. Now you may be taxed on a gain instead of having a like-kind exchange. This does not include Section 1031 exchanges.
If you have any further questions in regards to the topics discussed today, please feel free to contact Faw Casson at the information on your screen. And if you're interested in more information on one of these lovable little guys, contact the Doggone Happy Animal Rescue. Thank you.